Did you know Dior gives free gifts just for using the right promo codes? Today I'm unboxing my Dior Holiday Gift Set and sharing the working Dior promo code for 2026 so you don't miss out on these freebies. Hey beautiful people, welcome back. I share luxury beauty unboxings, honest reviews, and promo codes for freebies and discounts. Today I'm unboxing my Dior Holiday Gift Set and I'll also share working Dior promo codes for 2026. Before we get into the main unboxing, let me show you the freebies I've received with the purchase. First, I got these two free samples. And also this adorable miniature fragrance. Just look at how cute this tiny bottle is. I love minis like this. They're perfect for travel or trying a scent before committing to the full size. And using the promo code, I also received this free Dior gift pouch. I absolutely love the embroidery, the delicate knit detailing, and the overall design. It feels so luxe and elegant. Stay till the end of this video because I'll show you how to get these free pouches and I'll also share the promo codes that actually work. By the way, if you enjoy luxury beauty, unboxings, deals, and honest reviews, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future Dior deals and beauty finds. Now let's get into the unboxing. I purchased this Dior Holiday Gift Set, which is a limited edition release during the holidays. The first thing I noticed is this stunning golden sparkly bag. This is so versatile. You can wear it as a crossbody or style it as a clutch, which I really love. This gift set includes 3 items. The first one is the Dior mascara, which I'm already using and I'm loving it so far. The second product is the Dior lip oil, which I wanted to try for a long time. So I'm really excited about this one. The third item is a powder blush. I haven't tried this yet. It looks pretty bright, almost like a hot pink. So I'm not sure how it'll look on my warm skin tone. I'll be testing the lip oil and blush and I'll share my honest thoughts in a separate video. So stay tuned for that. Along with the gift set, I also picked up 2 Rouge Dior lipsticks in different finishes. The first shade is Dreamy Dahlia in a velvet finish. This shade looks like a muted dusty rose or warm mauve. It's not a bright pink or not red. It has soft earthy undertones which makes it feel very elegant and mature. Since I love mauve pink and brown toned shades, I'm hoping this will look great on my lips. The second shade is Rêve Rose in the veil finish. This one is a soft rosy pink with warm coral undertones. Compared to Dreamy Dahlia, this shade looks lighter, more luminous and less dusty or brown. Dreamy Dahlia has a soft matte velvet look, while Rêve Rose gives a more sheer, airy finish. I'll be swatching both of these in another video soon. Now let's talk about the Dior promo codes. These are the codes you can get freebies like this from Dior in 2026. I've personally tested these codes and they are working. Depending on your purchase, you can also receive free samples, mini fragrances or gift pouches. So don't skip this part. If you order for $90 or more, you can use the promo code PEARLBD25B1 and you'll receive a Dior Beauty keychain. With $100 or more purchase, use the code PRESTIGE25, which includes a Dior Prestige eye cream. Now for $130 or more, Dior has several really good options. Use Luna 26 to get red makeup pouch. You can also use Dior cart to receive a black Dior makeup pouch. I'm planning to get this one for my next purchase. Another option is Beauty Lover, which gives you the Dior perfume ritual set, which is perfect if you love fragrance. And the next one is Rediscover 25, which includes a limited edition keyring. And if you prefer a lighter accessory, My Cart gives you a white makeup pouch. And Miss U25 is another option that also gives you a Dior keychain. And for orders of $150 or more, use Dior Prestige to receive Dior Prestige La Creme, which is their anti-aging cream, and also a Dior Prestige eye cream. For purchase of $175 or more, you can use Addiction 48 to get a pink Dior logo scented keychain. And if you're spending for $200 or more, you have these options. You can use Spring 26 to get a pink beauty pouch. With Dior Refill, you'll get a Dior drawstring pouch plus 2 capture minis, which is great for skin lovers. And finally, Dior Luxe, which will give you a Dior notebook while supplies last. These promo codes are a great way to get extra value and luxury freebies with your Dior purchase, so definitely choose the one that works best for you. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Dior deals, unboxings and beauty reviews. And let me know in the comments which freebie you'd pick. Thank you so much for watching. Peace and blessings, my friends.